In this video, I'm going to show you how to join two pieces of EMT half-inch conduit together using a set screw coupling. So you have one piece, you got to cut another piece, which I made another video for. So you got to cut a shorter piece. Now you want to join them together. So this is how you do it. Or you just want to join together a bunch of them. So you just put this on one end of your metal conduit and put it on the other end, like so. Tighten your set screw down. And make sure you check make sure it's nice and tight, and it is. You want to try to pull it apart. Don't come apart. Well, that's a good sign. Run your wire and you're good to go. Easy as that. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll put a link down below in the description where you can purchase these. Thanks for watching. Take care.